Hey guys, it's Wednesday the 27th. I am getting ready for work, but I left myself enough time to film a video as well. So right now I've got just over an hour before I have to leave, and I basically just have to do my eyes, a little blush and highlight, and a lip. So I'm using the Androgyny palette today. I haven't really played with this too much. I think I've used it once, so I wanted to just kind of bust it out and come up with something. And yeah. So are any of you guys having after Christmas blues? Because that's what I'm dealing with right now. I feel like I miss the, you know, shopping for people, and it's like it's over. And after Christmas it just kind of goes to winter, which for me, cold weather without Christmas is just kind of depressing. So I'm definitely one of those people who's like seasonally depressed. Yesterday, the day after Christmas, I was just like all down. You know, it was kind of a rough day anyway, but I was definitely down and like missing already all the Christmas festivities. But at any rate, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna film what I got for my birthday and Christmas. I'm just doing it together because I kind of ran out of time for filming my birthday one, which was on the 16th. So they're kind of close enough together. I figure I'll just throw them in one. And I'm also going to include like some things I bought for myself for like birthday, Christmas type of things. So I put safe word basically like all up into my crease, kind of like high, almost up to my brow, and just kind of blended it down, basically leaving it everywhere so that I can blend a little bit more easily any other colors I put on. So yeah, that's my day. I am going to, after I film the video, I pretty much have to go ahead and leave for work pretty much immediately. And I'm working 2 to 10, which is kind of a long day. I hate being there late because it makes it seem longer, even though it's not that incredibly long of a day. You just like, those last couple of hours really drag. But they said we were really busy yesterday. I don't know if that will continue into today or not. Hopefully it will make that time go by faster. So I'm using that military green. And I think I'm gonna do like a little halo eye. Why not? So I also ordered some stuff from Bath & Body Works the first day of the semi-annual sale. I spent exactly $100, but I got so much stuff. Like, there was actually a promo code that was working for 20% off, and that was like on top of everything. I actually didn't think it was gonna work. I was just trying it out. So that was really awesome. I got several candles, I got body products, I got hand soaps. So I really got a good variety. So let me know if you'd like to see a haul for that, because I love filming those hauls. They're just fun and simple, and kind of just hang out with you guys without, you know, any big pressure. Not like doing a look or something like that where you really have to focus. So anyway, I'm gonna call it here and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it is Friday. It's about 8 or a little after. Got home, I worked 10 to 7. I was kind of like sick, like my stomach was really upset this morning. I wound up being a little bit late, but I worked a little bit over, so it was no big deal. If you hear the rattling, it's because I have paper that my cats love, so I let them play on it before I throw it away or recycle it or whatever. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek because this is my Bath & Body Works box that I received an order. It was actually a really good deal because I only spent $100 and I got 7 candles, 4 soaps, 4 shower gels, 4 lotions, and a body spray for their semi-annual sale. And also got a couple other packages I want to show you guys. So I got 2 things from Macy's that I had ordered. The first one is the Maxx set. If you guys saw what I got for Christmas, then it's basically the same set that has the, excuse me, hey, are y'all being bad? It was the same set that has the liner, lipstick, and gloss. Instead of red, this is the nude set. Also put some samples in here. Another one of those Laura Mercier lip samples, so I'll definitely throw that in my giveaway. And then in a separate box, I got this set, which is 4 of the full-size lipsticks. So this went on sale. It was a really good deal because I think this was around $28. I could be wrong, but it was definitely a good deal because it's 4 full-size lipsticks. Good variety in that. If you guys can see like tear streaks on my face, it's because I got home and my boyfriend was like, there's a cat meowing. And I realized that Sniffles, one of my cats, was in my vanity room the whole time I was at work. Because I always leave the door closed and she loves to go in there. And I remember sitting there thinking, oh, I've got to get Sniffles out before I go to work. And apparently, like in the rush to get there because I was late, I left her in there and I felt so bad because she hadn't eaten or used the bathroom the entire time. So I felt so awful. So I just like held her and it made me upset. So I cried. She's fine, but still, like, I hated that I did that. So we're just gonna hang out. I have to work again in the morning. I work 9 to 5, and then I will be home and I'll be off Sunday. Thank goodness. And then I think I work Monday because that's New Year's Day, but I don't work until the afternoon, like 1, I think. So on tomorrow I will probably vlog a little after, and then you'll see this vlog on Sunday on my day off. So at any rate, that's what's going on right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm at work early. I'm like 10 minutes early. I'm working 9 to 5, walking downstairs, so I have to look so I don't fall. So I've got some coffee. It's gonna be an interesting day. So it's Saturday, and we've been like incredibly busy. So I thought I'd vlog and show you guys the mall when it's like empty because it's weird. But I'm waiting for somebody to go in with me. So that's my day. I'm working 9 to 5. I will vlog. I'll do some vlogging later on in the day, maybe when I get off. I don't know why though. Probably won't be doing anything super fun, but check this out. I don't know what it is, but people love to come here and walk around. It's the weirdest thing ever. Show you guys walking into my Sephora over there. I don't think anybody else is here, and I can't go in alone. So there's my store. There's my store. So that's it. I'm gonna go sit in these chairs and wait for somebody to go in with me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I'm at home. Sorry, I'm playing some music for my cats because the fireworks have started. So I started playing music because somebody started setting off fireworks, and my little kitties are afraid. Miss Amina's and Tina's over there. So it's kind of loud. But anyway, I am home from work. It's about 6 now. I got off, well, it was probably 5:30 when I got off. It was supposed to be 5. We were super busy, so I was kind of tired. I did go to Victoria's Secret on my lunch break. I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm gonna film a video. So I got 8 things. Not too much. I may try to go back one more time before I film my haul because I've got to do my Bath & Body Works haul, and so I may check out Victoria's Secret one more time, maybe Monday when I work, and then film that video. So I'm wearing the Juvia's Place palette today. It's kind of old, so it's not looking like amazing, but it's the Saharan palette and I really love it. So I'm at home. We're gonna eat some dinner, hang out, nothing special. I lit a couple of candles, some apple cinnamon and some cinnamon caramel swirl from Bath & Body Works. So I'm just gonna kind of relax. I'm gonna have some wine because it's been a long week. And I don't know, that's about it. I got that, I got a package from Rose Gal that had like most of my clothes that I'm gonna put in. So I've got to film that. I'll do a try on haul for that. I got some really cute things. A lot of tops. I got a jacket, some leggings, some jeans, and everything I like. So I'm really excited to film that one because mostly really good things to say. So that always makes me happy that I'm able to be so positive. But you know, if it was bad, I would have shared that too. So I'm going to relax for the night. I will probably vlog a little bit tomorrow and before I put this up, because I may do a little bit of cleaning and I may include that. But that's about it. So I will talk to you guys later on. Hey guys, it is New Year's Eve, and as you can tell, I'm not doing much tonight. I've got my little wine. I'm just keeping it kind of relaxing. It's super cold out. I'm not really in the mood to like go out. I'd like to go out sometime, but for whatever reason, like tonight is just the night for me to stay home. That's what I want to do. So I cleaned all my makeup brushes. Well, not all of them. I cleaned a lot of makeup brushes. So I've got the majority of them clean, and these are the ones like I use all the time. And I would need to pull out some other brushes to use because I'm sure I cleaned them too late. So when I need to do my makeup tomorrow, these won't be ready and I'll need some new ones. But at any rate, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and this was my only Vlogcember video because you guys know I did Vlogmas. So this is the end of December, and I hope you guys had a great year. But more importantly, I hope you have a really good 2018. I hope it gets off to a good start, and I hope so for myself as well. I set myself some goals. I have 10 goals that I want to achieve, and I posted a picture on Instagram if you want to see my little list on my little llama notebook. But it's just things that, not like oh, new year, new me kind of thing, but just in the year, there are things that I want to focus on, and I think we should all have goals. It's just a good time to set them. So resolutions, goals, whatever you want to call them. And if you guys want a video on that, you can let me know, because there are more details to each goal. Like I said, I wanted to eat healthy food and drink more water, but really there's more detail. Like I want to cut out sodas completely because it's a definite weakness for me, and I want to eventually go 100% meatless. I don't know about vegan, but I want to start down that path anyway, because I think it's going to be a good transition for me, and I want to eat healthier things regardless. You know, just more real food and less crap, because I definitely have a bad tendency to eat like junky type of food, and we eat out too much, like things that a lot of people do. I'm gonna go to the gym multiple times a week. Like I want to set like at least so many days a week. I don't know if I want to say a minimum of 2 or a minimum of 3, but like, you know, really getting in there. So that's it. If you guys want to see more about that, let me know. I can do that. And I'm gonna film some hauls tomorrow and the next day. I got Bath & Body Works Victoria's Secret, so I've got lots of things coming up. So be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications if you want to see those type of videos. And I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you next week.